Hello everyone, I am so excited to make this product review video for you today. So I've had the privilege of being able to use the doTERRA Abode cleaning products for a few days now, and it has blown me away, and I'm just so excited to share with you this information. So first of all, I just want to mention that we live in a world where there's a lot of toxins, and you already know that, okay? We have about 3,000 chemicals that we are exposed to every day, and wherever we can, we need to reduce the toxins, okay? Because the chemicals are very bad for us. So for the last 11 years, I have tried to eliminate all of that out of my home. The chemicals are neurotoxins, so it affects the brain, affects learning. I mean, your children are growing and their brain is growing, okay? We don't want to interrupt that or poison them, right? Unintentionally, of course. And also, the toxins are endocrine disruptors, so it messes up with it messes our endocrine system. Okay, so it causes all sorts of health problems there. So doTERRA has recently come out with this Abode blend. We love On Guard, but this is sort of like a little step up. On Guard has its place as well, okay, but this here is like the big guns. This oil blend is called Abode. Okay, it's a perfect name. I have a video about this, so you can go ahead and watch that video. I talk about the emotional and spiritual side of things as well, of healing with the aroma of this essential oil blend. But in this video, I'm going to share with you what we can do with the Abode oil and its products to help with our home, okay? So this blend, just to review, is a blend of lime, litsea, cassia, lemon eucalyptus, tea tree, arbor vitae, kochii eucalyptus, I hope I'm saying that right, cilantro, okay, lavender and lemon myrtle. Okay, so all of the big guns in antimicrobials, okay? In fact, they did a study where they took the top 5 household germs, E. coli, staph, and all the other ones that I can't pronounce, okay? And they found that even after a week, the zone of inhibition is still significant. Okay, so in the petri dish that's the controlled, okay, it was filled with whatever it is, okay, for whatever, it grew and filled up the petri dish. And in the one with the Abode oil, it had a zone of inhibition, sort of a ring where nothing grew. Okay, so that is, wow, imagine that. Okay, so I was just so excited. I cleaned the house a lot this week. But here, let's just get started, and I want to share with you all of the goodies, okay? So let's start with the surface spray. So you have a refillable. I thought it was aluminium, but it's not, it's glass. Okay, so what you do is fill up the surface spray. Okay, so this glass bottle is just a one-time purchase thing, right? And you fill it up to that little mark there. You see that? Okay, and well, not quite, almost to that little mark. And then you pour the whole of this little glass bottle in, all right? So it's 1 to 9, okay? And that's it. So that's the refillable. So after you use this up, you just need to refill. Okay, so this glass bottle is intended to be a one-time purchase. Okay, so that means we have less products to send, and it's in a smaller size. Okay, and all of the products here, the plastics here that they have for the refillables, PCR, which is like post-consumable recycled products, something like that, okay? So basically they've already been recycled, okay, and it's still recyclable. All right, so this glass is recyclable. All right, so that is the cleaning product, the all-purpose cleaning. So bathrooms, toilets, countertops, it's all plant-based. All of these cleaning products are plant-based, and it's very gentle on the hands. Okay, so you don't have to worry about like these harsh chemicals. You can clean without gloves if you want to. So the next thing we want to talk about, let's talk about the dish soap. Okay, so the dish soap is and the surface spray actually has some extra ingredients. It has the grapefruit, and well, this one has the grapefruit, and it has thymol, okay, just for extra help to break up the grease. Okay, so this dishwashing liquid is exciting. It comes with this nozzle. If you like this nozzle, I had a hard time getting the soap out, so I replaced it with the pump, and the pump works better for me anyways. Okay, so this is very sudsy, and I really like that because it kind of helps me feel like it's clean. It's not necessarily true, but it feels that way, and it breaks up the oils and grease really well. So I was really impressed, and of course it has that strong Abode aroma. So when I try to make my own detergent, sometimes it doesn't have the aroma that I want because it's not as strong, and I feel like I had to put a lot of essential oils in. But with this, you know, you can smell it, and it's like an experience. As you wash the dishes, you are smelling this aroma as well, so it's very good for our immunity. Okay, so you know, very good for the family. So I am so excited to use this, and look how fancy, you know, it's a nice dark brown glass here. And so I actually went ahead, doTERRA sold this at the convention that I went to. This is the Sudza, okay, and so that's exciting. I think that product, you can buy this product later on as well on their website. And let's show you this wooden tray that it comes on. Okay, so you can leave it like that, or you can put the silicone on top of that as well. Okay, and it actually clicks on to the next one. I don't know why, this is exciting. Okay, it's magnetic, boink, boink. Okay, if you want to click it together, so that's kind of cool. I don't know why these little things make me happy, but it does. Okay, so we'll leave it there. All right, so the other thing too is we have this hand soap, and it is foaming. And it is actually not the Abode smell. It comes in the citrus bloom smell. So it's a little bit confusing when it says Abode here, but then it's a citrus bloom smell. Okay, and that's okay because they're saying that they're going to bring out other aromas as well. So look forward to that. And I think, you know, this is my favorite though. So this here, what you do is pour the refillable and concentrate up until that little O, the doTERRA O, the halo, okay, and then fill up the rest with water, but fill it up gently, because if you fill it up too fast, it'll foam. Okay, so you want to fill up gently up to there, and I would shake it up a little bit, just mix it up, and then there you go, you've got your hand soap. It foams very well. Okay, sometimes I find that the plastic foamer, it gets kind of stuck when it goes down and doesn't pop up again, but this one is not, okay, because it's metal and it's recyclable. So everything is recyclable, and that's exciting. So they're doing everything in a sustainable way, and they're trying to reduce the plastics and reduce the size so they can ship it better. And then also they are doing a lot of refillable stuff, so that, you know, we have less volume to ship, because otherwise they're shipping mostly water. Okay, so that's brilliant, and of course we save money by having smaller packaging, right? Okay, so the last thing here, oh, by the way, the dish soap comes in this aluminium bottle, and you just have to refill it. That's all. Okay, so that's that. Okay, check it out. Hand lotion. Okay, so sometimes when we wash a lot, our hands get really dry. Okay, so we can have hand lotion right next to your hand wash. Okay, so the hand lotion refillable comes in a plastic bag like this, and again it's PCR plastic, and you just pop that open and then squeeze it in. And you know, we did this, and I keep the packaging and I cut it open like this so that I could scrape out the last bits of it. And I've had it for 3 days, and I've been using it for 3 days, and there's still some hand lotion still in there. So I don't know, I don't like wasting things, so I'm going to use it up and then toss it out. All right. So the other exciting thing is the dishwasher pods. All right, we've washed our dishes we've run our dishwasher about 3 times now, and the dishes have come out clean. And I'm excited because I know that the dishes are not covered in this film of chemicals. In the past, I've tried to do the natural products, but sometimes when I read the ingredients, I'm like, yeah, I have to compromise, okay? Because I don't know how to do dishwashing liquids or powders on my own very well, that I can trust that it will clean my dishes. I throw a few drops of essential oils in there, but still I'm like, this is exciting. So I know that I'm not going to have this chemical film on my dishes when my children eat and when I eat. Okay, so there's your pod. Okay, so how exciting is that? When you buy it though, it's going to be in a bigger packaging. There's going to be more in it, but this is kind of like the sampler for us. The other thing too is, in the past we had that On Guard concentrate, and it dilutes down to several bottles, and it worked out to be maybe $1 something, but this here is almost $9, so it's a lot. It's a price jump there, so we'll see. Okay, we'll just have to kind of balance it up a little bit somehow, but I feel like it is worth it, you know, just to train the kids well. Okay, with the laundry pods, it's so exciting because even though I train the kids, sometimes they can't see where they're pouring, and they don't do like 1/4 of a cup. Sometimes they do more than that, and it's a little bit wasteful. So now they can just toss a pod in, and you know, that's already measured for them. Okay, so easy. So there you go. And look, I don't have a lot left because I have 6 people in this home, and we have been washing and washing because I came home from this trip and I had a lot of laundry, and my husband didn't do laundry while we were gone because he was just waiting for me to come home and just do laundry all together, and the kids too. So we just ran that washing machine, you know, for several days now. So we've used a lot of the pods and love it. It just, the clothes feel clean, the whites seem white. Maybe that's just me. Okay, so this here is very easy to pour in. Okay, and you know, this bottle is so beautiful. All right, so that's that. So when you use the Abode products, go ahead and tell me what you think of it too. But I give it 10 out of 10, all of it. Plant-based, reusable, high sudsy, gentle on hands. It's a strong cleaner, breaks through grease, refillable. Well done, doTERRA, well done. And it, you know, kills the top 5 germs in the home, E. coli stuff. Wow, how exciting. Right? And I don't know, us women, we're kind of weird in this way. We get so excited over cleaners, but it looks pretty and looks fancy. So in my old kitchen, it's just going to make the kitchen look a lot prettier. Yeah, I just wanted to share with you this. So I hope you like the Abode product range as well, and look forward to more things. They might have some more additions to these products. So how exciting is that? Alrighty, that's all from me. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and friend me on Facebook and Instagram, and I'll talk to you later. Bye for now. Take care.